Hi guys, in this set of tutorials we will take a look at a deep learning based recommendation system. We will also look at what are the archaic techniques which have been proposed before and how they compare themselves against the deep learning based techniques. Recommendation system is a very intuitive line of defense against consumer over choice. So essentially, because currently consumers are overloaded with the amount of choice on web and e-commerce platforms. So to serve these customers well, to recommend them and to convert them into sales, we want to have really good recommendation systems. Uh, Also to personalize their experience. So, for example, if they are coming to a YouTube or Netflix, we want to personalize their experience to the type of content they have viewed historically or they like. So, recommender system helps in those kinds of problems. Um, so there are multiple methods which can be used to do recommendation systems. Traditionally, there are three methods: collaborative filtering, content-based recommendation system, and hybrid recommendation systems, which essentially look at the item user features and their interactions. Also, there have been some research around the temporal based recommendations where you want to sequentially predict recommendations one after another. So here what we are trying to do is essentially present a summary of what are the new recent deep learning based architectures which have been proposed for doing recommendations. Deep learning has dramatically revolutionized the recommendation industry, and it has a lot of successful applications industry wide because it's able to understand the non-linear and non-trivial interactions happening between the user and item relationships very well. So here we present some of the really successful application industry. As you see, 80% of the movies which you watch on Netflix essentially actually are coming from recommendations. Similarly, 60% of the video clicks on the YouTube homepage come from user-based recommendations. Similarly, there have been a lot of successful applications in YouTube and app-based recommendations on Google Play Store based on the past download history or different kind of user-based data sets. Similarly, there have been some research around RNN-based recommendation in Yahoo research. So let's just introduce you guys to what is a recommendation system. So recommendation system essentially you are trying to understand the user behavior, either the past behavior or the recent behavior, and you want to cater content available on your website or your e-commerce platform or something, so that you can either convert the user or personalize his experience on your website, so that content can be a music store, for example, on Spotify, or it can be a video store, for example, Netflix or YouTube, or it could be something else, for example, news, or completely different altogether. For example, Amazon would want to recommend products to its users. So traditionally, there have been three kinds of recommendation-based techniques. Collaborating filtering looks at the interaction between user and item historical interactions. Content-based recommendation essentially looked at a set of auxiliary-based features, so essentially text, videos. So Facebook is one of the example which uses some of these techniques. Hybrid model essentially try to combine best of both worlds. So in this set of tutorial, we will take a deeper look at the more advanced deep learning based algorithms. So see you guys.